Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make so moist, so delicious and so green avocado bread or avocado cake. Watch my hands, let's go! First off, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe you need very ripe, soft and tender avocados. If you have unripe avocados, just put them in a dark place with a couple of apples and just forget about it for a couple of days. Remove a pit and put an avocado flesh in large bowl. Add sugar. Of course you can add more if you want a real dessert cake. Also you can use sugar substitute instead of sugar. Cream the avocados and sugar until completely smooth using a hand mixer on medium-high speed. Add eggs, vanilla extract, lemon zest, a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of salt. Mix it well using a mixer until they are fully incorporated into the batter. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk all-purpose flour, baking soda and baking powder. Using a spatula or a wooden spoon, fold in the dry ingredients into the avocado mixture until all combined. Grease a loaf pan with butter or oil. I use coconut oil. Pour the butter into the pan and smooth the dough a bit. Put it in the oven and bake until a toothpick inserted in the center of the loaf comes out clean, about 60 minutes. Let it rest for 10 minutes and take it out of the loaf pan. Then let the bread cool on a wire rack. Of course you can decorate your avocado bread or avocado cake. My choice is dark chocolate and walnuts. I think it works perfectly with the delicate avocado taste. Oh my gosh, it is so good, not too sweet, and it is so moist. I love the texture. The avocado makes this bread incredibly moist. And of course, I love this natural green color. The pure beauty. This avocado bread is perfect for breakfast or a snack, or even as a dessert. And you know, you need it right now.
My god, look at the color. Isn't that fantastic? It smells like avocado. It tastes like avocado. So tender. Oh my god. There's chocolate here. I didn't know you were going to put some chocolate. I love it. And everybody needs a little slice of that. I mean, could be a bigger slice. It's fantastic.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.